Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan and today, Monday 18 December 2023, I've got a few traded setups to discuss where my favorite direction will be long on the Aussie, the New Zealand and the yen, and short on the dollar, the euro and the pound. My first pick of the day is a potential long on gold, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. On the gold, same as last week, I just added one thing. I've got the two levels identified here, roughly 2005 up to 2009. And then still the 1995 up to $2,000 levels. So these are the two levels I'm still watching. Trend is turned bullish. Dollar very weak, so I'm still stock market bullish. And gold bullish, but I start to see a little bit of a consolidation up there, and if I can get some form of a breakout there, a break and a retest and then a counter reversal, then I'll consider some longs. And the euro CAD is a trade we did on Friday. Now Friday we saw the 4-hour break, and then I went to the 1 hour. This was all on the live stream, guys. You could have followed the live stream. You can catch all these trades live that I do. You can see the stops, the targets, the rationale behind the trades. I make comments about it there. And yeah, we got the retest and then evening star, and a very nice evening star textbook stuff. And we got the short just before the news, and was a bit cautious. And I only took half a position. That was part of the comments that I made on the live stream. And then I set the target down on these lows, and that got hit. I exited just before it there. It got late Friday evening, so I exited the trade with about 10 pips short of the target. If you waited that 10 minutes longer, you got to the exact target at 70. The target was set at 45.70. But I did this all on the live stream, guys. You can watch it there, and you can follow it on a daily basis. I don't have particularly something to do here. The euro CAD is still okay-ish. If it retraces back to the 4 hours, I will consider again if we get up there for another retest. So that is something I will consider. So I'll leave it on my watch list. Not that keen there yet, but a lovely trade for a Friday afternoon. And well done, guys. That ended up the week on a high note. Then the FTSE still, we got stopped out of this one at a very tight small stop loss on the 1 hour charts. If you remember now, we took this long there, and with a new high there, I trailed the stop loss there. So I just lost a small amount there on the trailing stop loss, and not a full one. But I'm still interested in this with the pound weakening now. We had some trouble because the pound stayed up there, wanted to go strong, but now it's weakening. This is a very stock market bullish scenario. It's very conducive to bullishness on the stock market, having the US, the pound and the euro down here, because that covers the DAX, the FTSE and all the US markets being bullish. So it's very conducive for that. So I got quite a few of them I'm watching today. But on the specific one on the FTSE, with a weaker pound now confirming weakness, I see this flag pattern. I will do the break, the retest, and look for some candle reversals here. But definitely something I'm going to watch for today. And then the US markets, Dow, I'm not going to buy at these levels. I don't see that good of a consolidation. Still weak dollar. I want to be long, but that'll have to retrace. Highly doubt if that's going to happen today. But the ones I'm watching is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is busy consolidating up there, falling tops there. The break and the retest and a counter reversal, that'll get me to go long, providing dollar stays weak. And the same and the better scenario for me, it's a nice triangle forming on the S&P 500 between all the indices. This is the one I'm after, and weak dollar, as long as it stays there. Yes, if it pulls back, I'm also interested in these levels, but now I'm watching this for the break, the retest, and then a counter reversal. So these are the indices that I'm watching. So you can see quite a few of them, due to most of the currencies being on the weak side, which is stock market bullish. And the Aussie Swiss, Australian dollar up there, Swiss in the red zone. So I am fine with a long here, but I'm going to need this to retrace back here before I'll consider anything. And the euro yen forming a nice triangle also. Want to test the top end of the triangle, that would be lovely, and then the break. So euro yen, all good. Euro gaining a little bit now with this run up, but I think when it reverses coming back down, we should see the spread opens up again. As long as the euro stays well below the yen there, you can watch this also on the live stream, guys. I publish this the whole day long. And you can come and have a look at this if you don't have this indicator. But if it reverses off there, I'll do the break and the retest. Yeah, it's a Monday. I'm slow to start the week always. It's important not to go too early in a week into big trades. The market still finds its way. The US still not open. They only open on a Monday afternoon. So yeah. All right. So Euro Yen, I'm interested in a break and a retest. The Pound Yen also, I would love to be long yen, so you'll see them everywhere. And I would like to short here the pound against the yen. You can see here pound, yen, definitely one of the ones I want to do. Market structure here between 50 and 61%. Looks good. If it gets there, I'll see if I can get some candle reversals, and then I'll do some shorts. Another yen, the Swiss yen. Now, Swiss also way weaker than the yen. Also busy consolidating a little bit, not forming a pattern on its own yet, but I can see this failed to make a new low. So this could end up maybe going up there, forming a flag. I don't know, but I'm still happy with the consolidation. This could also turn into a triangle. I'm just preempting a little bit, but same answer. If it breaks down and I then get a retest and a counter reversal, I'll then look for shorts. In the New Zealand, same as last week, if I can get a retracement back to this falling trend line at the 61%, I'm still interested. I doubt if that's going to happen today. In the US yen, also consolidating more like in a bullish reversal pattern. This is actually a flat top triangle, which when it breaks out there is bullish, but I will not take a long. But I would love to see this thing break, sucking in all the bottom reversal guys, and then reverses back down. If it then can come back and break out at this rising trend line or just this little pattern, it's a failed flat top triangle. Then usually we get explosive moves down the page. You see, when it breaks up there, a lot of traders is going to think, dollar is reversing. They're going to take the longs on the pattern in the hope to get it up there, and it might work. It's always a chance that it will work. But that shows me that if it breaks up there, there's a high probability that it's going to fail and then break down and give me the advantage of a failed reversal pattern, which then creates explosive moves. So I'm still keen on the short. I would love this thing to break that level, suck in the bulls, and then come and blow them out in bubbles. Then the CAD yen, you see CAD there, yen up there, also nice rising wedge. On a break and a retest, I'll get definitely interested in shorting on a 1 hour or 4 hour reversal pattern there. Then my favorite trade idea for today is a long on the Aussie US. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos. Also, if you are new to the channel and find the video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now let's get back to the Aussie US. Aussie much stronger than the US, so really one of my favorites here. A flat top there as the market tested once, twice, and it could break on the third attempt, but I need a break. I won't go with a break, but then I need a retest and a candle reversal there. It can also retrace still, but I highly doubt if that's going to happen today. I just like this for today because it's at the point of breaking, and even on a Monday morning this looks very, very strong. So I need a decent break above, and then this afternoon or evening I might see the retest and then a 4 hour or a 1 hour candle reversal, and then I'll surely take some longs. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions and share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.